welcome back to my channel. This is YT, and today we are going to make another very cool tool in Scratch, and it is a translator. So what a translator does, so it translates a language that we don't understand into a language that we can understand. So that's why translators are very important in our community. So today we're going to make it in Scratch. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Okay, so first let's go into this page. Now let's think what we have to do for the scripts. First, we'll need a backdrop. Second, we'll need a translator. Third, we'll need a variable. Okay, so before we start, I would like to show you some updates. So you may have noticed that the theme of Scratch, which used to be blue, has been changed to purple. And also over here, it also has been updated. And also over here in settings, if you click that, you can find language and color mode. And in color mode, you can find original and high contrast. High contrast is, it basically turns all your blocks into a different color. So let's try that. Wow, look at that. It's been changed and it made the color lighter and cooler. Okay, so yeah, let's start coding. Okay, so first I'm gonna delete sprite 1, and then I'm going to move the backdrop. Doesn't really what you choose, it's just going to be a backdrop that will just go with our translator. I'll just choose stars. Okay, and then you're going to choose a sprite. Okay, let's see. Who should I choose? Ooh, Earth. That'll be good for my background. Okay, so I got Earth. I chose Earth because it's good for my background, and also translators translate different languages from all over the world. So I'm thinking maybe I should do Earth. Okay, so make sure its position is 0 to 0, okay? Okay, now let's start coding. Okay, so first let's go when green flag clicked. Okay, and then we are going to add an extinction. There's lots of extinctions in here. So today we're going to use translate and text-to-speech. So what text-to-speech does, it makes your sprites say things and like make sound. Okay, and then it's add translate, which basically just translates stuff, which is perfectly what we need today. Okay, so first we have to go to text-to-speech. At the start, we have to set the voice to something. It doesn't really matter, but in here I'm going to choose squeak. Well, I like the color really. And then we're going to make it speak. And then we're going to make it speak. We're going to make it say hello, and then say whatever your username is, and then welcome. I am your translating. I'll say translating Earth because I'm Earth basically. Okay, so for that, because we have a username, and in sensing we have the perfect tool for it. Username right here. Very interesting, right? Okay, so we'll have to join them all together because you can't just type username and it will just show up. It will basically just show up a username. It won't actually show up your username. Okay, so we're gonna go to operators and get out this one called join apple and banana, which we are not going to do that because yeah, we're not going to join an apple or a banana together. Okay, so we'll need 2. We'll put the second one in banana in the first one. Okay, and then put username in the middle one. And in the first one, we're going to type hello space. Okay, and then username. And then we're going to do a comma space welcome full stop. I am your translating whatever your sprite is. Okay, it's done. And then we could just pop this in the speak, which will basically speak, hello, whatever your username is, comma, welcome, full stop, I am your translating art. Very cool, right? Okay, and then we're gonna go and wait 1 second. Okay, wait 1 second, and then we're gonna forever ask in sensing. This ask is like different to in looks, the say and text to speech. This ask, if you do it, it will actually ask you and wants your answer. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna use this one. So we're gonna ask, see, what do you want to translate today? And then question mark. Okay, good. And then we're gonna wait, and then we are going to make a variable. We're going to make a variable called answer for all sprites. Okay, good. Okay, and then we're gonna set answer to the actual answer, which is in sensing. Okay, and then we're gonna ask another one. So you guys might be wondering why I set answer to answer, why we couldn't just use answer, because we have 2 questions, because we have no second answer, so we'll have to make another answer. I don't know if that made sense, because there were lots of answers, but yeah, you'll see. Okay, and they're going to ask 2, what language? Question mark. And wait. Okay, and then after that, we are going to say. We're not going to speak anymore, we're just going to say. Okay, say. And then this is the kind of complicated bit. Go to text to speech. Actually translate. Then you're going to take out translate hello to whatever language it is. It's quite random. And then we're going to change this into answer. Okay, and then change this. Okay, this might be a bit surprising, but okay, we'll just put that in. Okay, what, you want to watch it again? Okay, good. There we go. We'll just put it in, which is kind of a quite cool thing in Scratch. You can, like, for example, if you got key space press, you can put like mouse X in the middle, which is weird. It's very cool. Translate answer to answer, which basically helps us a lot. You can translate answer to answer. So it will say when it's been translated. Say the word that's got translated. Okay? Good. And then gonna wait until gonna do a key space pressed. So what that does is that it will just ask you, and then if you click space pressed again, it will just ask you again, and then you can just type in what you want to translate. Okay, good. Let's try that. Save. What do you want to translate today? Okay. I want to translate hello. To what language? I'll translate to French. Oops, that's not how to spell. Bonjour. See, that's very cool. So we made our own translating thing. And also, let me test it again.
Hello, happy learning with Yeet. Welcome. I am your translating Earth.
Did it just call me happy learning with Yeet? Oh, probably. Scratch doesn't know what YT is, so yeah. I feel bad. Scratch doesn't know who YT is. Okay, it's okay. I'll just fake right. Okay, and yeah, Okay, let's try that again. I'll translate subscribe and like. To what language? I'm gonna try Chinese. Chinese. But for Chinese, you can't just type Chinese, because you can check what to type in Translate. And if you click here and then you scroll down, you can realize that Chinese needs a bracket with simplified or traditional. Otherwise, it'll just don't know what it does, and then it'll just say subscribe and like. So Chinese, let's do simplified. Simplified. Good. Now let's try that. Okay, that's good. So we can translate our own language into another language, which is good. Once you've made this, you can show your family and friends, and they can translate stuff that they don't know. For example, if they're going on a trip to a different place, they could use this and translate whatever the other person's saying, so they won't get confused and they won't be that embarrassing. Okay, and that's all for today. And I hope you enjoy this video, and also I hope that Scratch actually knows what YT means and who he is. And yeah, bye-bye. Peace.